Welcome back to Cosname Media. Today we are going to discover recycle bin tools. How to restore all empty recycle bin is our first agenda. So you can just right click and just restore it from here, or you can just go to the top here and restore the selected item. You can empty the recycle bin, deleting all items in the recycle bin like that. So the second thing is to change the icon and the name. So go to setting, search themes, go to desktop icon settings, click on recycle bin and click change icon. Here you will have a lot of icons to select from. I'm going to choose this one and just click OK, and then as you can see it have been changed, and click apply and OK, and as you can see the icon is changed. Go to rename and rename whenever you want. I have renamed it just none, and you can see the files are just okay. To transfer the files from the recycle bin, you can just restore it like that, or you can just drag and drop them to a specific folder like that. It is not a must that you restore to the actual folder. You can select multiple, you can select from all to with the recycle bin. Pin the recycle bin to start. Here you can see that I have already pinned this recycle bin. You can unpin. We can unpin the recycle bin like that, and you can just pin it again by dragging it to your taskbar, and you can see it have already been pinned. It is this one here. You can access it easily. So next we are going to permanently delete and bypass the recycle bin. Select the files that you want to delete, and as you can see it have been taken to the recycle bin. If you click on shift delete, it will permanently delete your files and you will bypass the recycle bin. There will be no files that have been saved to your recycle bin, even if you refresh. Next is the importance of the shortcut. If you create a shortcut like that, you can drag it to any folder. Like I can drag it on this folder. Here you can screenshot or you can delete any item directly using this recycle bin. Like for example, I can screenshot this, and if you drag it, it will move directly to the recycle bin. Like for example, we can do maybe 2 more. I'll screenshot like that, and then I'll select all of them and just drag to the recycle bin. Here you can delete permanently using the recycle bin properties. If you click on apply on these two selected like that, you can permanently delete, and now you will bypass the recycle bin. Like for example, as you can see here, no item will be taken to the recycle bin. It will just go, you will just delete permanently. If I can screenshot again and just delete. It will permanently delete this file. You can change the size of the recycle bin by coming here and specifying the size. Like for example, you can go with 20, and I'm going to try to delete a file more than 20 MBs. Here is 85.9 MBs, as you can see on the bottom. And if you try to delete it, you can see that it will be deleted permanently because it cannot move to the recycle bin because the size is big or high. If you add the size in the recycle bin like that, and you try now to delete again, it will just go to the recycle bin like that. Next is to customize the recycle bin. Like for example, you can change these icons in the view, navigation bar. You can play around with this one to customize your hidden tasks and bars like that. Nothing much to discuss. If you go to setting, system, go to storage. Here you can delete permanently, or you can delete the unused files automatically by checking on this storage sense. It will just free up space automatically. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment and share to your friends. Till next time, bye.